Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to properly put a child's car seat in your vehicle using the latch system. Go ahead and run this back, get that ready.
So you run the top one through?
This top, yeah, this top strap is going to hook in the back.
No, through the headrest?
Yes.
Under the headrest, okay.
Yes, if you have one. And then there's going to be a strap somewhere on your vehicle with the latch on there.
The latch on each end?
Yes. And I like to start with the end that has the adjuster because it's harder to do that side later. And then just find, there's usually a little button to show you where the latch is. There's always like a little circle that has a car seat picture. There's like a little button there and that shows you where your latch is. Just pop that on there. Okay.
You're not ready for Kelsey yet, right?
And then you can loosen or tighten this. I like to get it just loosened enough so I can easily get it through. And then tighten it before I latch it. And there's always a picture on the side to show you where you should run your latch through. And so we're just following that diagram. Okay. On this side. And then pull this through and see how much slack we got here. And we got quite a bit of slack here. Way too long. So it needs to be tightened.
Okay, I'll pull this up on this side.
Go ahead and tighten.
I'm going to tighten on this side.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we're almost there. A little bit, probably a little bit tighter. And that's about it. That's about right there. Okay? Then this is going to be the kind of the tricky part to demonstrate. But down here is where the latch is, right behind. You can see the little button right there. And the hook is actually under the seat. So while you push down the seat a little bit.
Put my knee on the seat.
Okay. And let me get my hand back here. This is the most difficult part. Then you might have to scoot the seat out just a smidge towards the front. So we can get this. And if you've done it too tight, you'll have to loosen it and do this part again. And I think I got it just right. You'll hear it click. You got it. There we go.
Get it clicked in?
Yep.
Okay.
That's in there. That's in there pretty good, but not super tight. But once we get the back, that should help us.
Come around so I can see from that side.
Okay, now we're going to attach this one down to this bar right there.
There's another one of those hooks there.
Yes, that's what that's there for. So we need to loosen it to kind of see. Now, I should be able to push the seat down and get it down to that. Might be a little bit too loose. There we go. Get it down. And sorry if I'm blocking your... You see what I'm doing here?
I do see what you're doing.
Just pulling it down until it clicks on.
You got the hook in place.
Yeah. And
That's
then
it?
That's pretty much how you... And then if you need to tighten any more at that point, you can, but at that point it's almost too late to make much of a difference once it's on there.
Okay.
And that's it.